I'm James Whitehead. I work for AstraZeneca in global patient safety, and my role within DIA is I'm one of the SMEs on the pharmacovigilance and patient safety, and at DIA Europe 2024 I am leading the track. So I think pharmacovigilance is no longer limited to medicines. I think if you're really to maintain safety, you need to be looking at things like devices, digital, and diagnostics. And to really do that, that means you need to bring in a lot of different stakeholders to have that conversation. It's no longer limited just to GVP. We call it the PV Strategies Workshop, but actually now we're seeing it evolve into a more of a holistic patient safety activity where we're bringing in people from devices, from diagnostics and digital to really think about the patient's journey as a whole. And I think that's the only thing you can do now is to consider what's the forum to discuss that, who are the right stakeholders, and the DIA is one of the few places where you can do that in what I would call a safe or brave space. So there are a lot of conferences for pharmacovigilance. There are very few where the audience participates, co-creates as much as at the DIA strategies. I've been part of it now for 3 years, and each year we grow the participation. So particularly the collaboration hubs, where we pose a question that's timely, that's interesting, and that actually all of you, if you attend, will get to contribute to the answer. So you may think strategy is all around blue sky thinking, where are we going? But actually, you need those things in your mind, then go back into your company to see your long-term vision. So if we take case processing, thinking around automation, well, attending the strategies workshop will start to illuminate what other companies are doing. So then when you go back, you can maybe think about your process, your skills, your capability, and therefore implement what we've been discussing. If you have an opinion, or at least you think there's a way of doing pharmacovigilance better, then I think the PV Strategies workshop is the best place for you, particularly because your voice will be heard and you'll have the right type of collaborator, I won't say audience, collaborator to work with.